Up for sale, 1985 El Camino Choo Choo Custom Super Sport, finished in blue with blue interior. I'm gonna go around it, tell you everything I do know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. 85 El Camino Choo Choo Custom Super Sport, finished in blue, blue interior, 68,000 miles, a completely unmolested example, and honestly, just another cool car I'd never thought I'd get the opportunity to own. Choo Choo Custom only made about 2,100, 2,200. Let me just sit my coffee down here real quick. Over the 3-4 year period that they made this. And from doing a little bit of research and discussing with the owner, blue is very, very rare on this car. You see a lot of white, burgundy, and there was one other color he mentioned. And I think it's super neat with the Monte Carlo front end, other little aspects throughout that are just unique to the car. But anyway, just everything works on the car. The clock works. I drove it home personally about 40 minutes on the highway, going like 70, 75. It was a dream. But of course, you know, as always, go around and point out anything I do see. A couple marks here and there, of course. You know, fire it up, let you hear it run. Get in, drive it, show it drive as well. But yeah, this is unique. You see a couple little marks. That's dirt, but a couple little marks right there. And the hood fitment, of course, nose fitment is exactly the way it should be. It's all original sheet metal. The underneath has been detailed. It's not and it was not a rusty El Camino to begin with. The right wheels on there with the Avenger GT, white letters. You got the proper decals. The little Choo Choo train there. Choo Choo train sticker in the door jamb, which I might as well show you now. I do see another little scuff right there. You know, glass trim. A lot of originality. The bed's super nice. I got the bed cover if you wanted to roll out. Maybe if you did want to put stuff in there, but I have it rolled up because the bed itself is so nice. Power windows, power door locks, AC, power steering, power disc brakes. Where are we at here? Every car is different. Again, under the hood, completely unmolested. It's got the original 5.0 liter in it. Beautiful, runs smooth, no knocks, no smoke. Fantastic, exactly what you want. And you know it's an original blue because the original blue is on the inner fenders there. It's been converted to the R134 AC. AC blows cold. Blue in here. Nice, you know, little decal, stuff like that. You can see the blue on the firewall too. There's your other example. The upper and lower control arms were both just redone, and actually when I have the picture of the underneath, you can see the brand new, how shiny the lower control arms are, as well as the front suspension itself, you know, tie rod and stuff like that. That's all brand new. So we'll go on down the driver's side of the car. Got the wheel well moldings in there. Again, fitment of all the original body panels is the way you want it to be. Sorry, I'm looking over there. A little mark there. Nice fitment door to the rocker and the rocker molding as well. I love this design on this molding here. Again, we're enjoying this together as I'm experiencing my first 85 El Camino. There's the VIN. You see how nice this is? You can see a little bit of buffing compound. It looks like it was buffed not too long ago, but exactly what you're looking for here. Nice finish there. Looks like a little touch up right there. And then, honestly, I still think this is a little leftover buffing compound. I was just too excited to jump on this. The interior, other than honestly this little rip here on the piping, is mint. The original carpet's clean. There's no rips. The console's fantastic. The gauges, the little faux wood grain is nice. Dash pad has no cracks. Door panel is fantastic. Carpet on the door panel is fantastic. Still got some original tags in here. You see nice original metal in there going up. I did take a picture of this. There's your little Choo Choo sticker. Super, super nice. I love this car. You don't see very many of them. My dad was... I actually didn't even tell my dad I got it. I just drove it back. And he was expecting it to look like an 87 Caballero that I personally owned for myself. And when I pulled in around the corner with the front end the way it is, he's going like this. You know, we're Italian. He's throwing his hand like, oh my gosh. Again, horn works, wipers work, tilt column, the gauges work. You can see the clock spinning as we're sitting here. Yeah, 68, 685, and I watched the odometer roll as I was driving it. The only thing that doesn't work is the radio, which is, you know, makes sense. A little fuzzy. Little CCC ink. And again, production information on them is rather difficult because the business went out of business. And I found that from doing some research on it. Mint headliner, visors, working dome light. The little pillars. Trim there is fantastic. It's got the right carpeting back there. Floor mats. I just thought it complemented it as a little accessory. And then back there you got storage. A couple little thingies that are included. Fitment is nice. Very solid feeling. Oops. No bubbles down there. You see a couple little marks right there. The body's nice and straight. Little mark right there. Since this is the only chrome, it's without a doubt original. It's actually really nice. You see some light on there, but I'd rather have it be original than, you know, China repop. More Choo Choo Customs. And there's two marks like this on the car. Maybe just a little buff through. You see there, and then there's another one right there. Once again, no bubbles down there. And I can't help but to be honest and say it's an absolute dream to drive. Door fitment, the way you want it to be. Again, corner edge to the, I guess you would call this the quarter, even though it's a pickup. Fitment down there is the way you want it to be. You see just a couple little miscellaneous marks around there, maybe, you know, grabbing stuff like that. I also love the design of this quarter window, but that's probably just an 85 El Camino thing. Will be up for sale later on today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. Ooh, I gotta take a picture of this. Look at that. Spare. Looks like the jack. Tire iron. That's a picture. The jacking instructions. What a cream puff. Anyway. I do have a couple original booklets for it, which I took pictures of. I don't want to dig through it. Like the original manual, this is important for the options. And a couple other notebooks. It looked like at some point they started to jot down mileage as they were driving it, and then they stopped. It is kind of a hassle. Once again, the right fitment on the door to the fender. So yeah, we are going to fire it up now, just here in actually a few seconds for you. Maybe 10, 15 minutes for me. And yeah, thank you for watching. And here we go. Ready. pretty quick too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nice colors they picked.
For that? Oh yeah, I like that. Is that clear high?
Yeah.
Oh, no expenses. No expense spared operation.
I know.
And then there's us. And then there's us. Yeah, that was a junk.
Hmm?
That was a junk though. It's not a Choo Choo.
Choo Choo Charlie, wasn't it?
Oh, show off. You know what's funny, Aaron?
Did you see who went by in the black pickup truck? That guy that wants to buy everything and trade everything.
Oh, the guy that wants to buy everything but never comes
He
back.
don't even look.
I know. Hey, you want to laugh? The guy who made the offer on the 73 Camaro for the 5th time didn't
Yeah.
call me back.
He did?
No, he didn't. I just got a kick out of it.